Hello everyone! Today we are going to be reviewing, nope, not a dinosaur, but a pterosaur, a small flying reptile. Not all pterosaurs are small, but surely this one is. Rhamphorhynchus, one of the smallest pterosaurs, is here to meet you. And the Rhamphorhynchus was really small and really light. It weighed only about a few pounds. In kilograms, if you would like that, it weighed around only 4 kilograms. So the Rhamphorhynchus was a really light pterosaur. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And the Rhamphorhynchus was actually one of the few known pterosaurs who knew how to swim. The Rhamphorhynchus used its long wingspan to dip into the water first to see if it was hot or cold, but then it would probably just dive in anyways if it really wanted its meal. The Rhamphorhynchus lived around 163 to 145 million years ago, so around in the middle to late Jurassic, right about that point. So the Rhamphorhynchus was a really small pterosaur, and it was part of Rhamphorhynchidae. The Rhamphorhynchus' close relatives were the Dorygnathus, Scaphognathus, Peteinosaurus, Dimorphodon, and more. The Rhamphorhynchus had a whole family named after it. So Rhamphorhynchidae is the name of the family, as you already know, and it has a subgroup called Dimorphodontidae and Rhamphorhynchidae. Yeah, those are the two subgroups, and Rhamphorhynchidae is a subgroup of itself. The Rhamphorhynchus group was famous for its small size, its thin body, and, believe it or not, their feathered tails. So they're basically like raptors. They have feathered tails. Swish, swish. They could use their feathered tails to smack in the face of an opponent and just distract them for a while. They smack it, and then maybe the Rhamphorhynchus could just defeat them with some bites and slashes with its toe claws. The wings were very long compared to their body. Well, they were about the same size, but maybe a little longer, because remains show that the tail was extremely long, right, and feathered, but it's strange that the rest of the body was not. And it was interesting that Rhamphorhynchus' name means beak snout. Do you guys know why it's a beak snout? Well, it's actually because of this beak, right? It's basically a beak, but with teeth. That's why the Rhamphorhynchus had teeth, so it could grip on its prey, and that pretty much made up for its small size. Because bigger pterosaurs like Pteranodon and Quetzalcoatlus, they did not have teeth. But some lucky big pterosaurs like Ornithocheirus, Tropeognathus, and Coloborhynchus did have teeth. What? How could they be so lucky? The Rhamphorhynchus had great eyesight. The Rhamphorhynchus could hunt in the night. Dun dun. Swim. Fish. He could fish out the fish that he wanted to eat and just gobble it up in the night. The Rhamphorhynchus could leap off from rocks and then maybe just start flying. That's how most birds learn how to fly. They jump off something, and I guess that's how baby Rhamphorhynchuses learn how to fly as well. The Rhamphorhynchus was small, right? Well, big pterosaurs always have to jump off rocks and stuff to fly, but the Rhamphorhynchus could pretty much take off from anywhere since it was small. Like here, fly, go down, fly, 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 go down. But Quetzalcoatlus, for example, would have to leap. So whenever it would fly, it would go forward. But the Rhamphorhynchus could just fly in its spot, whew, whew, whew. And it's time to get into this Jurassic World Dino Rivals Attack Pack Rhamphorhynchus. So, here it says a Jurassic World logo, and here's a bloody image of a T-Rex in the background, kind of weirdly covered by the plastic in the Rhamphorhynchus' wing. Here it says one collector card with an arrow pointing to this little collector card over here. Here's a Triceratops and a T-Rex, and here's Owen, and then here you see the Rhamphorhynchus, Velociraptor Delta, Protoceratops, and Dracorex. Velociraptor Delta is actually also from the movie. It's just a Velociraptor with a name, basically. And here it says, scan in the Jurassic World Facts app. Well, I guess it's finally the time to unbox this guy. There's really no way to really take him out in this packaging. All you can do is really tear it. So Guys, don't be mad. I'm gonna have to tear this thing. So I'm super excited to finally unbox this guy. Yes, 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 yes. And the Rhamphorhynchus is out. Whoa. Okay, this is cool. Okay, so this is the Rhamphorhynchus, and this is its card. So let's keep the box aside and talk about this wonderful, amazing Rhamphorhynchus figure. As you can see, the Rhamphorhynchus has a nice beak with sharp teeth. It has little legs but with sharp claws that could slash enemies and predators. And it also adds little claws over here that were very sharp. I like how you can fold this guy's wings. It's just like he can stand up now. Oh, I am standing up. Here you have a nice long feathery tail. Moist, moist. The Rhamphorhynchus is very swift, very slick, with upper jaw colored differently than the lower jaw, which I really like. I've seen this in a lot of figures, but it's really nice. I've seen it mostly in the Dino Rivals figures. And also here you have like some paints that's going down, but here you have some little gaps. That's really nice. And here's the Jurassic World scan code. These are the wings, but they're just yellow, but that's okay. So now let's look at the detailing of this guy. You have some little tiny scoot over here, some scoots. And on the bottom, this is just a smooth area. You can feel some little textures, and here you can feel a nice feathery vibe. And in the wings, you can feel a nice leathery things. And now, let's scan this guy. Whoa, that was so quick! Rhamphorhynchus in the house. Let's look at the info. Her diet consists of small fish, squid, and other sea animals. Well, we talked about Pterosaurus. Yeah, it also feasts on Plesioteuthis. And Rhamphorhynchus means beak snout in Greek. We already knew that. She has a tail as long as her body. Okay, well, she does have a really long tail. She is able to swim and to take off from the water. She has thin, sharp teeth emerging from the sides of her beak. Yes, she does. Observation mode, where you can rotate this guy 360. And for stats, you see the strength, which is 2, speed is 7, the intelligence is 3, and the aggression is 4. Okay, well, that's what it says on the collector card. But why is that so low? I mean, seriously. It's so weird for a Rhamphorhynchus to be that low. I thought its strength was going to be at least 3. And thanks to Pravek, my cousin, who gave me this wonderful Rhamphorhynchus. It is just so cool. So yeah, this was today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and goodbye everyone.